what's going on, guys? It's JC, and today we're gonna have quite a different episode. We're gonna start the episode for my build, which hasn't been really showcased so far. Just for the simple reason that we started our YouTube channel after I got done most of the work, and now I'm just sitting on it and trying to just waiting to get a cage built on it. So today I'm quite excited because I'm getting a new engine for it. I used to have a 5.3 LS. I got one of my friend who's willing to sell me a 6.0 for really cheap, so I'm gonna get that 6.0 tonight. I'm probably gonna take it apart, inspect it, and see what we can do from there. Right now I'm just on my way to the garage to go get the wiring harness, and I'll see you guys down there. Alright, so here in my garage, I just got this new truck. But you know what's more important than truck? It's knowledge. So yeah, like I was saying, I just need to pick up some stuff from this old piece of knowledge. Because I'm gonna trade some parts from Kalen for that engine. So I can give you a brief rundown of my truck. It's just 1986 S10 with used to have 5.3, now it's getting a 6.0. So she's getting a cage done. It's gonna be from Holy Cage, but all the wiring has been redone on it because I hated the way the wiring was done. So your boy took it upon himself and just redid it. So yeah, probably work gloves. That should be somewhat funny because I have zero balance. So. Whoa, it wasn't bad at all. Alright, so here's my old wiring harness. Came out of my 5.3. I didn't like the way it looked, so I just decided to go with Ollie Dominator and just put the old Ollie Dominator computer and wiring harness. So here it is. I'm gonna give him my ECU also that has a small tune and a bunch of little things, so he can give me a good deal on the 6.0. Alright, so your boy is trying to get a coffee from Tim Horton. Welcome to Tim Horton in Fort McMurray. That shit is fucking nonsense. That's the least busy Tim Horton in town, and there's 10 cars just in that drive-thru. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna put the motor plate back on, so I can lift it up on the engine jack, and I'll put it on one of these pallets and probably let it sit in my shed or in this garage. That little engine plate is neat. I'm gonna put the part number under it. Probably the best purchase I've done for engine cooling. Definitely. Oh, that's not good at all. Well, good thing this engine's not going back in right now, because that's gonna beep to get there. Oh well, stuff that happened. Not too often, please. Alright, so the 5.3 is out of the engine stand and looking all glorious. Here's all the internals for it. And pistons and all that stuff are in that little white box right there. So, not sure what I'll do with it right now, but for right now it's just gonna sit in my garage. Alright, so apparently my 6.0 is there. Look at that!
Yeah, you got manifolds and all, son. Oh, and a lot of wiring to throw out.
Where can we do it? Where can we lift you up?
Here. Jesus Christ, you guys are really more ratchet than us.
You go.
Oh, hey!
That's definitely gonna fall.
You don't have any hope. You have to believe. Be a believer.
Alright, so that's the time my new 6.0 falls on the ground.
I don't think this ratchet strap's made to lift this one. Oh yeah.
There goes your strap. stunt was successful. The engine only fell once, so that's better than 4 or 5, I guess. Here it is. The brand new 36-0 that's gonna be in the S10. So I have a few stops to make today. Some shits for you guys. Tried to come home. I gotta edit a few videos, but hopefully after that I can start decreasing that shit and make it look pretty. Put it on the engine stand and give me a few hours and we'll be back. All right, I'm back in the garage and got some stuff done, and right now I'm just gonna put the 6.0 on the engine stand, prep it all, and probably gonna degrease it tomorrow and make it all look good. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do is I'll take off all the rest of the electrical from this engine. These grounds, these all these wires, the coil packs. You gotta take off that flex plate. Take off these headers, and we're gonna put it up on the engine stand, which is right there. Come on, Christ. Alright, let's test the strength of my engine stand, but first off I gotta retighten the bolt. Alright. There we go. Oh, me. You remind me that one of the bolts fell in the port there, so I gotta get that out. Let's see how bad this engine is. Wish me luck. I don't care if this engine is junk, because I basically got it for free, so hopefully it's not, because I'd like to have a 6.0 for next year. As long as there's no hole in the block. Alright, so this engine is really not as good looking as my 5.3 was, but my 5.3 was phenomenal for the price I got it. It's definitely not bad. There is a lot of like the edges are not clean at all. Oh. What's that? Oh, that's no good. Is that dirt or is that metal? I think there might be dirt in there. What's that? Is that a rock or is that metal? See it right there? I think that's dirt. Hopefully that's dirt, because that would suck a lot. Alright, let's see the other head. Looks like it is obviously a pretty old engine. As you can see by the oil stuck on that valve cover. It's nothing too crazy. There's dirt, probably from me removing it. It doesn't look like there's metal shaving anywhere, which is great news. Yo! Hey, are you in the garage?
Yeah, I'm just trying to wire up fucking lights right now. I tried wiring in the overhead lights, and then the whole left side of the garage went out, and I can't get it back on, and it's a mess.
Did you check your how do you call that in English again? Your breakers?
Yeah, it's flipped off.
It's like off?
The lights are working now.
Oh, you're an idiot. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.
Soak up the rags, spark up the max, light up the night and I never look back. I am the hunter, you are the monster. I am the entity, I am the haunter. Fight with no water, fight with no water. Bring me the leg, I won't choke on the water. I am the author, you are the paper. Rip you apart, leave the blood on the razor. Motherfucker, I am the product, they never feeling my feelings. I run up on them in the middle of the night and I kill them. I drill a hole in the